Ooni of Ife, Adeyeye Ogunwusi, during the Ososi festival, proffered Yoruba traditional religion as a tool in solving the challenges of peace and love in Nigeria and Africa. He lamented that the neglect of tradition in the African continent contributed to the persisting challenges. For the challenges to be resolved, he pointed out that the people must develop positive attitude towards the Yoruba and African traditions. He said, "This is a landmark festival for us. Mankind started from the tropical Africa and it is the most populous. This is one of the historical landmarks to prove that everything started from the continent of Africa and Nigeria, which is the most populous nation that belongs to the black race. We are here at the Oshosi and Obatala temples to celebrate. Oshosi's temple is where the gathering, religious, started from. Religion should be used to preach peace and unity. We must do what we preach and the foundation must be solid. The entire black race should see this as their culture and tradition. We have to propel it well. We are not hiding anything. We are preaching peace, unity, and peaceful coexistence, which is the problem of many societies in Africa. Believing in the positivity of our ancestral religion will help to solve all these problems." He narrated that most of the world's religions had ancestral linkages, saying that religion must be a tool to defend the oppressed. Ososi is the lord of hunting, the only hunter that uses astral travel to hunt. By closing his eyes he sees where his preys are, his feet listens, feels every sound in the jungle. Oshosi is the spirit associated with the hunt, forests, animals, and wealth. He is spirit of meals, because it is he who provides food. Ososi is associated with lightness, astuteness, wisdom, and craftiness in the hunt. He is the orisa of contemplation, loving the arts and beautiful things. Animals sacrificed to Oxóssi rituals are goat, cooked pig, and guinea fowl. The salutation of Oshosi in the Yoruba tradition is ikuhara. Oshosi is the orisha of strategy, mathematics, focus, calculation. Ososi is a deity believed to be the father of philanthropy and religious congregation for purity and sanity.